Well, show me your friends and I'll show you your future. You got to be careful who you allow to speak into your life. I close my ear many times to people around me because I don't want to feed my soul negative thoughts. I choose who I listen to. I choose the books I read. I've sold millions of books. And many times someone will write me and say, I read your book. I started a company. It's worth $10 million US today because of the book. And I just write it back and says, the book was fertilizer, that's all. You always had that company on the inside. I just fertilized it. I was a good friend. So if you want to be a success, don't keep company with failures. If you want to be great, don't hang around people who don't think great. If you want to improve, be with people who can force you to improve. Your environment determines your success. And so the future to your life is in those people who you collect around you.